Hey guys, so Chetan and I have been discussing something really cool and I want to share it with you. And क्या हो गया भाई? बैठ जाओ साइड में. क्या हो गया इसको? पता है? कोई आइडिया है? एम्बुलेंस को कॉल करूं? हॉस्पिटल. एम्बुलेंस आ रहा है. Actually guys, we fooled you. So Chetan here is just helping me give you guys an experience of a 5G ambulance. So they've come a long way. They've been around for maybe 2-3 years, but they've gotten so much more efficient. And I'm going to take you on a journey with me to see just how helpful this is. Headed into the ambulance. Okay guys, so this is the first step. As soon as you enter the ambulance, the vitals are being checked to see if there's anything that's alarming, immediately alarming. The information that he's getting here, he's immediately inputting it into the system so that the doctor has all the information available at hand to make any kind of diagnosis so that the treatment can begin here, right itself. So we're going to see how it's done. Alright, so the ER person here found something that is alarming, so he's connecting with the doctor through the 5G network. Let's find out what happens next.
एक बार रिव्यू कराओ क्या क्या दिया है प्लीज.
हाँ सर, इनका ये मतलब पेशेंट के भी चेस्ट पेन है.
चेस्ट प्लेट दिखाओ. एवरी 5 to 10 मिनट्स उसका पैरामीटर्स चेक करते रहना. You need to give him 2 liter oxygen.
जी सर.
94-95 चल रहा है. Okay.
जी सर.
So as soon as you arrive here, we will take the patient in emergency and we will shift him within 20 minutes to the cath lab.
So as you can see, on one side the patient is being prepped here, and while the patient is prepped here, the doctor is prepping everyone else inside the hospital as well, so that as soon as the patient comes, everything is all set for treatment, not just to begin, but to end in the best possible way. So guys, 5G has been around for a while now, though the 5G ambulance has been around at the Artemis Hospital only for a week. I was talking to doctors here and they have told me about cases where situations flipped, and only because in the critical condition the treatment was given exactly at the moment it was needed in the ambulance. So 5G has made this possible. It's available not only here in the Artemis Hospital, but others like Apollo, Medanta and many others pan-India have this 5G ambulance available. So what do you guys think? I'm excited to see where this is headed, this technology specifically. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and as always, remember to like, share and subscribe to the Aquadrive channel.